it's Elise here with Mama's Input. Today I'm gonna do a review on EveryPlate. We've been using their meal delivery system for probably about 2 years now, ever since our firstborn was little, and it is amazing. It's delicious. Everything I've ever tried has been absolutely delicious. I started this when I had just had Adeline, our firstborn, and I was stuck in a rut on my cooking. I just cooked the same thing over and over and just got sick of it. And I was too lazy to look at recipes to try. And I'd always forget an ingredient when I went out to actually purchase the ingredients of different recipes. So I decided to try this EveryPlate meal. They deliver just like HelloFresh, but a lot cheaper. I think they are $4.99 a meal instead of, I forgot how much HelloFresh is. I think it's like $7.99. So you save a few dollars here and there. Every now and then you can catch it where they do $2.99 per meal, and it's great. I think we pay less than $30 for a week of 3 meals for 2 people, so which is fantastic, especially with high quality meals. They send you all the ingredients. As you can see here, I've already got everything set out. This is actually the stuff that they sent in the boxes, the fresh ingredients. So the carrots, the garlic, that's in my garlic holder, the shallot, the rosemary, the bread, the lemon, and then in the yellow packets like a chicken stock concentrate. So they send all that to you, and then they say how much you'll need. At the end of the sheet, there's what you'll need. So stuff that you might have around your house, like the kosher salt, the pepper, the butter, the cooking oil, stuff like that. It'll tell you how much time it takes to make. So usually about 30 to 45 minutes. On the back of the card, it has step-by-step instructions. So I'm about to do a video of me making it, and I'll do a review of how it tastes at the end. I have not tried the lemon rosemary chicken yet, but everything else I've had has been really good. I just kind of wanted to do this review to help those of you out who are looking to branch out on different recipes and try something new. This is a time saver for sure with 2 little ones. Mamas and daddies, this is an awesome thing to have. Even if you don't do it every week, you can stop your subscription at any time, so it's very helpful. Anywho, I'm about to get to cooking.
That's good. Definitely get flavors that you don't get normally. And they all seem to go really well together. So
they blend for sure.
it's not like you just throw some stuff together on your own and you're like, oh, that was good, and that was kind of good, and that was kind of good. It doesn't really all go together. Somebody knows what they're doing, put this together. It all goes really well together.
There you have it, folks.
You get the feeling like you're eating at a restaurant. You don't usually get that at home. No, I'm joking. Unless I'm cooking. No, it's very good.
Real quick.
It's very good.
All right, so EveryPlate gets a thumbs up.
Yeah, you might want to stop video, and I'm about to start taking big bites.